I would talk about high frequency trading in the sense of what would essentially high frequency trading firms be doing. Now, high frequency trading firms, what they do is they buy and they sell, but they start with 0 positions in the market and they end with 0 positions in the market. So essentially whatever they have bought, they sell, and whatever they have sold, they buy. So therefore they cannot, as a result of that, they cannot accumulate large positions. And since they cannot accumulate large positions, they cannot deploy large amounts of capital. So they could not be doing $1 billion of trading. They would deploy, say, 10 million, 20 million, 50 million, but they would do it at a leverage of, say, 10 times. So if they have 50 million, they would be doing 500 million of position. Okay, so they do not need large amounts of capital, which other hedge funds do, like John Paulson or Warren Buffett, or for that example, Renaissance and all that. So if they do not have too much capital, they cannot blow up, and something like Lehman could happen, that the entire markets could crash or something like that. So therefore, they cannot lose too much capital. All they would do is they will lose the amount of money that they have. So they are not a systemic risk to the market. So once we have understood high frequency trading from that perspective, we can basically say that high frequency trading takes opposite sides of trades of long-term investors. So let's say I'm a long-term investor and I want to buy a certain stock. Essentially, on the other hand of me will be high frequency traders. So what I am doing is, whatever I am doing, high frequency trading is doing the opposite of that. So basically, there will be lots of volatility, because when a lot of positions are being taken. So therefore, if I am a big hedge fund and I am taking a big position, then I would basically cause volatility. However, if I am causing the volatility and high frequency trading firms on the other side, then they are reducing volatility. So basically, high frequency trading firms benefit from volatility, but they do not cause it; they reduce it. Okay, so basically, high frequency trading firms are providing liquidity when it's very profitable to provide it. Okay, so therefore, the myth about high frequency trading, that high frequency trading firms cause flash crash and so on, that is not the truth. But what they are trying to do is they are trying to keep the markets fairly priced. So if somebody has done a freak trade which has caused a lot of havoc or volatility in the market, they are essentially trying to correct it.